A very good afternoon, Celebrity Beyond. It is your cruise director, Luigi here. How excited I am to welcome you all aboard. Yes.
Hi, everybody. We're at Cape Liberty in Bayonne, New Jersey, because we're going on this Celebrity Beyond. Now, we're only going on for the day. The ship happens to be in port for a couple days, and then I believe on the 26th, it's leaving to do a repositioning cruise down to the Caribbean, and it'll be based out of Fort Lauderdale. So we were invited to go from like 3 to 9. We're gonna walk around. We're going to have dinner and see a show. Hi. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome.
Welcome. We just got on the ship. Before we were even on it, we took notice. Yeah, she's looking at, here's the nice light and the nice light. Wow, look at those comfortable seats. Oh my God. More comfortable than an airplane. So, as I was saying before we got disrupted by the lifeboats, how nice they were. And they were very nice. What's that?
I think they're great, the picture.
Oh, well, how are they gonna, yeah, of course. So, we noticed a lot of the outside, the cabins don't have balconies. Like from the outside, it looked like most of them did not even have a balcony, but they did have a really nice window. I don't know if you could see it because it's kind of dark in here. They got a whole thing of activities for us. Everything's free because it's a special little event. Here's the cabins that we're going to be seeing. So we met him coming in. Here's the cruise director, because I know some of you are going to ask. So here's the theater. Then we'll go downstairs because this is deck 5 that we are on. I see a lot of blue. We're going to be in here later anyway. All right, so here's some of the artwork. This is a mask made of mosaics. Well, so is Royal Caribbean. And here's the theater. It looks like they're setting up because they're going to do a presentation in here for us later.
Yeah.
So on one side it was a mask, on the other side it was a chair. Pretty interesting.
Hi there.
Hello. Good. What's in here?
This is the club.
Okay.
So this is like our kind of like a speakeasy. And they haven't started just yet.
All right, so they're gonna have shows. It's one of their lounges.
Yeah.
Every 15 minutes they're gonna have a show in here.
Oh, in here?
Yeah. So I think this is their jazz bar, pretty much. But you know what I like? The little lights on here. The musical notes. So here's a gift shop. The doors are open. What's that? Yeah, it's not. I don't know. So they work with 4Ocean. If you don't know what 4Ocean is, just Google it. They clean up oceans. Ooh, now this I like. This swimsuit's nice. And then, of course, they have the colognes, the fragrances. Yeah. Sliding doors at the ladies' room. Look, they got real towels. Everything's automatic. Beautiful bathroom. You got to use the hand thing to get out. So the chocolate cake looks good. The cookies don't. The cookies look okay. The brownie looks good. We're gonna come back and get that. I want to get this done. So let's see what's downstairs. We got bartenders flipping. Here's the casino. Let's see what kind of machines they have. But there's certain slots that I like and don't like. Do they? You know, I still like the old-fashioned slot machines. You know, I don't know. I just don't think it's fun playing on these big ones with all of these lines. Honestly, it's not like you win any more. But yeah, these are the old. Yeah, but they have like 4. I don't know. They have more. They hardly. They're one. What are they? 1 cent. They're 1 cent machines. I like the 25-cent ones. Politan. They're giving here. He'll like this. They're giving something. This is this is one of the restaurants with shrimp in it.
Yes, we have the poached shrimps, we have the crispy bacon, and the pumpernickel crouton.
Good.
And we have an apple.
That was good.
Well, I said I'll take the apple one. Yeah. So this is the Cypress. This is where we're gonna have dinner. It's nice. I mean, it's nicer than the other.
Well, a very good afternoon, Celebrity Beyond. It is your cruise director, Luigi, here. How excited I am to welcome you all aboard. Yes, Celebrity Beyond is finally in New Jersey, and we are all very excited here, the entire crew, to welcome you all aboard. However, we do have somebody which is even more excited to welcome you all, and I am very glad, of course, to introduce her to you. Please, put your hands together for the captain of the vessel, Captain Kate McHugh.
Thank you, Luigi. Yes, good afternoon,
captain?
ladies and gentlemen.
I think
My
so,
name
yes.
is Captain Kate McHugh, and I will be your captain on this
So they have
cruise
and she's
to
American.
nowhere. Now, we did want to welcome everyone on board, especially
They have
if
a
this is your
female
first
captain
time
and she's American.
experiencing the incredible beyond.
Here's another
But there
store.
is somebody even more important than myself to tell you all about it. Just
Oh, they
like
got
the
Louis
John
Vuittons on
Anderson
here.
Air,
You don't
just
find
go
these on
right
other
first
ships.
in. Ladies and
So here's some Louis
gentlemen,
Vuittons.
Senior Vice President of Sales, Dondra.
You look at, they got a big selection of Louis Vuittons.
Would ever say that I
We
was
know who
more
Dondra is.
than her, and we
Hi.
all know that's not true, but I love it anyway. So travel advisors and all of our amazing guests, welcome to the
Here's
Celebrity
jewelry
Beyond.
down there.
And for all of our travel advisors, we've got
Here's the Effie store. Yeah, here's.
think that.
Yeah, do you want to? You don't want to try one of these?
No.
I do. I'll try the no sugar added chocolate cake and the brownie. Yeah, the cookies don't look that good. So I got my latte, and here now let's try the brownie. First taste. It's got nuts in it. It's probably actually it doesn't look great, but it probably tastes better than it looks. This is Celebrity. They got good desserts on this ship. This is the ship with the cream puffs. I took too big of a piece. The brownie's just okay.
What'd you get, a cappuccino or latte?
Latte. And the latte's latte. I really want to try the sugar-free. This is a sugar-free chocolate cake. Look how pretty it looks. It's actually not sugar-free. It's no sugar added. So it's not good for keto diet. It wouldn't be anyway because there's flour in it.
No sugar's added for one.
That's really good.
When they make it, they got.
So here's what they got. They got sweet and low, Splenda, stevia, Truvia, sugar, and natural sugar. And they have a Cartier up here. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of dizzy. Looks like it's, oh my, it's kind of dizzying because this is moving pictures.
Oh my God.
Yeah, this is a bit odd. Hey guys, you could see me. I don't know what this is called, but if you had one too many drinks, I wouldn't recommend walking through here. It's a bit,
I thought a wall was going to stop me when I first walked in. I'm like, this wall? How do I get through? It's just.
Yeah, this is too much.
yeah, it's just a walkway too. Wow, there's a lot more down here. I smell pizza or something. Oh, it's chocolates at the. Oh, that La Maison.
one or two. Would you like to try it?
What is it?
Zucchini carpaccio with white bean hummus.
So this is something. What is it called again?
Zucchini carpaccio.
Zucchini
Carpaccio.
Okay.
Yes, our signature dish in the Blue Restaurant. One of our.
Okay. All right. It's vegetarian, so I'll try it. This is a specialty dining room for the Aqua class area, though.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, this is macrame. All right. Whee! This is like shrubbery. I'm gonna get the. So this is cabin 10, deck 10, 131.
Is that our cap?
Okay, we'll get out.
Nice sized bathroom. Oops, sorry. Go ahead.
You wanna go that way and this way?
So here's a.
Thank you.
They have Seal Bigelow soap. They got nice amenities in here.
Yeah.
Ooh. This is a small cabin.
The window comes down.
Oh, this is a win.
Oh, this is one with a window.
Correct.
Yeah.
No wonder.
Oh, so it's like an inside balcony. Cause look.
Right, exactly. You have your space there, which, you know, you can leave the space open the whole time, and there's a shade that comes down.
Ah.
For the light at night.
Well, on a day like today, it'd be great because it's raining.
Yeah. I mean, this isn't bad if you're having outside.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather have a balcony, but I'm surprised. I would think balconies are more in demand though. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and they have lighting in here. This is a small cabin.
I don't know what the price is.
Oh, we get
They kept
the Aqua Sky Suite.
This is the Aqua Sky Suite.
Has a jacuzzi.
Here's the bathroom. This has got a nice jacuzzi. This is a nice sized bathroom.
Hello, how are
Hi.
you? Welcome to the Aqua Sky Suite. Thank you. The physical room itself is a Sky Suite, but with the AS category, we combine all the amenities.
So this has a
offered there.
balcony, like a real. This has a real balcony.
Yeah, it's a real balcony.
Deck 11, cabin 295. This is
Excuse me, on the Sunset Veranda, do they have interconnecting cabins?
So what they do have is they have the suite.
Like the family?
this is the veranda.
Sky Suite, I think that's
Oh, so it's got a bigger balcony.
One like, oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I like this balcony better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you could put like a lot of people on here. They got two. These are the balconies I like because of the back of the ship.
Yeah.
So you could see the wake. It's very relaxing.
Yeah.
So I would take a cabin like this.
Oh, I would too.
This is Sunset Veranda Stateroom for those that may ask.
as long as they're,
Plenty of plugs here. And then especially with families, everybody in the family has, and there's plugs there as well, USB ports. And then in the bathroom, I'm sure. So this is deck 12, 110. It's a big cabin. It's a very big cabin. It's the penthouse suite cabin. Wow. You get some mirror work.
Welcome to the penthouse suite.
Penthouse suite.
Hi guys, this is the penthouse.
You got a nice.
This is our top suite for celebrity beyond. It can sleep up to
I know.
Nice to see you. And then we would let you can also share.
It sleeps up to 6.
Yeah, so this pulls out, which is so cool. The butler was saying a lot of families.
Right.
This actually pulls out to like a California thing that.
Wow.
I never thought that, because I said to him, where do you think you sleep in? Michelle Homoki.
Wow. So here's another bedroom. Dressing. Damn. Look at this bathroom. They even have a bidet. It's a shower. Holy jacuzzi. And this is the second bedroom, has their own little inside balcony area. This, and then they have the outdoor balcony area. It goes all the way down.
This workplace is about 1,400 square feet.
And that's not all. Then we got another woman. Excuse me. Wow. So here we got another bedroom.
Oh, wow, there's another bedroom.
This is the second.
Oh, and of course you get the, and these are even nice robes that they give them. These are actual terry cloth, cloth robes.
There's another bed.
This is the main bed. So here,
No, there's one back there.
right, there's there's 2 bedrooms, and then that pulls out. So here's the regular bathroom, which is nice. You can go in 2 ways. You could go in this way. There's 2 ways to get in. And this is like the big one, deck 12.
Oh, we have 2 more cabins.
100.
Oh,
They say this is an amazing one. This is like the biggest on the ship. And wow.
Oh my God.
So let's start down here. I assume this is a bathroom. Oh, I don't. This is just, yep, this is one of the bathrooms. It sounds like water's running. Your normal bathroom. So now from here, is this a closet? What, this?
Yeah.
Well, this whole thing is kind of,
No.
yeah, this is all closets here.
I'm going this way.
Wow. I don't think I need that much closet space unless I'm on here for a month.
Holy moly. Oh my God. There's a nice bedroom.
Here's the 1 bedroom with the, oh, but you know what? Look, this is not a great cabin.
No.
Look what, well, I mean, they moved, well, it's only the 1 bedroom. So you get,
It moves around.
it does, but still you have that facing you. But I mean, that's not the worst. It's not, for me, that's not a reason I wouldn't take it, because you're not going to be staring out that window because you have other things. Okay, so from here.
So it's 2.5 baths.
This is like the main sitting area. Oh, it is? Oh. I'll squeeze. No, of course not. He doesn't. It's his he sleeps somewhere else. This is the iconic suite. So here, wait, we didn't even go outside yet. There's a hot tub out. So before we go outside, this is a seating area. Hey, they got a Peloton on here. And then the swing. They got a Peloton on here. I'd rather have a squat rack, but they have a Peloton. All right, and here's the other bedroom. Now look at the view from the bedroom.
And look at that TV, it'll just fold up.
Yeah. And the seated area. There's a lot of room in here.
Look at the closet space.
Where, here? Is this? Yeah, wow, a lot of closet space. Unless you're going to be on here for like a really long sailing. And here's the big bathroom. But again, the bidet, hot tub, your jewelry box. Oh, I wouldn't put my jewelry in there because you can bang your head into this. Let's go outside. I'm going to go get the hot tub. I'm going to go out and get this. See ya. And here's outdoors. The hot tub, a nice little seated area. Of course, you get all the amenities out here. So this is a nice cabin. All right, so I missed something. This is like a little this is the kitchen. So this is where the butler made sure.
He makes
They have Lavazza coffee on here. So this is it. So, and he's the butler. This is deck 12, 103. You know what? After seeing the other one, this one's probably not going to compare. So, wow, that's like the smallest. That's just a bathroom. It's just a toilet in there. So this is okay. This is another suite. This is the royal suite.
Oh wow.
It's easy to lose things in here. It's easy to get lost in here. So this is the one of the bedrooms. The balcony. Another toilet. They got 2 toilets.
Back here is the shower.
How big is it? The whole family could fit in there, right?
Look, I like where that comes from. The
Oh,
ceiling.
yeah.
I
Well,
like that.
we're-
Well, that's like a hand one, but this is the
Yeah.
main one. I like that.
And then a nice big closet space, too. They got a separate toilet.
Yeah.
And then here's like oh, they even have umbrellas. Look, they're giving these bags.
I
You
like that back.
binoculars. You get the cabin number. It's 12-1-1. Okay. So here's the bathroom. Here's the bedroom.
When you said there are 20 of these, there are 20 of these on board, is there another one right next door?
Take the butler.
There's no bidet in this one. No, but this is not as big. But it's nice.
Nice. I
Yeah.
like that.
Hold on. All right. Oops. Here's the spa.
I'll sit out and
Yeah, look, these look comfortable. I'll take a hi. So here's the hair of the barber, and then the hair institute. If you ask me, it's a lot of wasted space in here. All right, now let's go up to the gym. We'll see what they got. Okay. So this is consultation room. They do have personal trainers on here. Oh, these are the Beyond suites. So they have access to, they're filming something, it looks like. Yeah, here's some of the suites. They have a separate access to come up here. Now, let's go. They got, oh, they have a towel. They put a towel on each treadmill. It's Techno Gym. They have InBody, which is what I do every week at work. It's mostly Techno Gym. They have a Smith machine. So this is my squat. It's not as good as a real squat rack, but it's better than nothing for a cruise ship. So by each equipment, cardio, they have a gym towel, cable system, motion studio, so it's the group fitness rooms. Dumbbells go all the way up to only 75 pounds. Kettlebells, they got only up to 20 pounds on the kettlebells. And then InBody, which I do every week. Heated towels. Here's the solarium.
well, this is good for you.
Yeah. Here's the spa cafe. So this is the pool area. Down here, they put towels on each chair. I don't know what this is. It's like a little sitting area. And then you got the pool. Nice little lounge chairs on the pool deck. These look very comfortable. And these are like cabanas. I guess they reserve them. So in each cabana they have wine. And then the towels. Yeah. You gotta, oh. There's a ship leaving too. You could see the tugboats pushing it out. So this is the buffet. I guess they have ice cream here. They call it scoops. Man's cleaning the windows. I wouldn't want to have to be out here on this day like today. It's very misty out there. So here's where the pizza is. Here's the Ocean View Bar. This is the retreat lounge. Wow, it's busy up here. What's everybody waiting? Hello.
Hi, what are you guys doing here? Hi.
Oh my God, I haven't seen you forever. I know, we practically live near each other. All right, so this is the retreat. Yeah, it's the sun deck and pool. Where's the station? Deck 15, 100.
Welcome.
Hello. Hi. So this is the upstairs. So here they have the balcony.
Got a bedroom upstairs.
2-story suite. Here's the hot tub.
And a private function.
So I assume. Oh, nope, that's. It's just. I think it's where the. I don't know. I think it's where the butler comes in or something. It's not. All right, bathroom, nice size shower. And here's the bedroom. This wasn't for me because I could do without the stairs. And I'm physically fit. I did go up. There's a bedroom up there, nice bathroom up there. So this is the retreat sun deck. It's really nice. This is deck 17. They have towels. They have their own private pool. Swinging chairs in the pool. And then downstairs, this is all part of those special cabins. They have their own lounge. Hot tub. Cabins, which I think are really cool. They have their own private patios. It almost looks like you're sitting out on a balcony. They have the pool upstairs. You could get up there. What's that? No, it's not. So they have, so each one has their own little private. On Edge Villa 104. This is a bigger one, so this must be a bigger suite. So here's the retreat. We are back on deck 4 because they have, here it is, you could say it. They have La Bistro, you can explain it. They have cameras, so on the table they...
And when it goes on your plate, they have like the little, like see, like this little chef. Yeah. All of a sudden he'll go on your plate.
Yeah, I can see things.
And when he goes fishing, he brings the food and puts it on your plate. It was so neat.
All right, so we're eating in. This is our table. Nice plates.
Okay, thank
so
you.
what dining room is this? What's this one? Cosmopolitan. That's right. Okay. We're expecting one more person. Look, they have French onion soup. So this is a special menu because we're just on board for travel trade, but I'm going to show you what it is. Well, I'll probably get the French onion soup. The tomato watermelon salad, and I'm going to get the stuffed portobello mushroom. So you are, just for my video.
Yes, I'm Irfan. I'm from Macedonia, but I'm a Macedonian citizen, but I'm an Albanian with origin. So
Okay.
technically, I'm Albanian.
He's Albanian?
Yes.
From Macedonia.
Albanian from Macedonia.
All right.
Yes. Over here we have soft rolls, we have breadsticks with a flavor of parmesan.
And you know what's unique? Wait a minute. It's his first time in the United States. Today?
Yes.
When did the ship get here?
Today.
Today.
Yes.
He's never stepped foot in the United States. I'm sure it's not going to be the last. Well, it won't be the last because you'll be in Fort Lauderdale. But
it's a pleasure to be here.
It's a pleasure to be here. He loves America. What did you? So they got escargot like you always get, and I got the French onion soup. So how is the escargot? How is the escargot? Better than Royal Caribbean?
The last one, it's better than the last.
Royal Caribbean?
No, the last trip I took with MSC.
Oh, but it's good.
Yeah, Royal Caribbean's is better.
Okay, let me test. I got a little bumpy thing here. I'm gonna test the onion soup. So, let's see. I bet it's hot though. Let's see. It's good, but Royal Caribbean's onion soup's better too. This is a little sweet tasting. Now, I didn't film this, but I got their cucumber watermelon salad. It was okay. This is the portobello mushroom. It really looks good. Let me taste it. This is probably potato. It's colorful, that's for sure. It's good. This is the best thing I ate so far. The pizza was better, but this is the second. I had pizza before. This is the best out of the three. It's not, honestly, it is missing something, but I think it's just me. All right, what is that?
Duck.
How is it? You ate it. Oh. It's good. It's not the best, though. What'd you think about the ship? Try and be quick.
It's beautiful ship. There's certain areas that are beautiful, but it's overstated in the sense that, oh my God, it's so gorgeous.
It was a very nice ship. It was elegant. It's very wide, so everything is really spaced out, and it's very wide. Even the hallways are wide, all the places, nothing's crammed in. Even in here, it's wide. I would definitely sail on this ship. Yeah, but I'm used to MSC and Royal Caribbean where they have a little bit more fancier stuff, but this market doesn't really cater to a lot of that. It's different. So it's a nice ship. You can look through the video and see for yourself. I did like some of the features, like the towels by the pool, the towels on the fitness machines, things like that. It's really service oriented. Dessert. So I will probably get that chocolate cake. I didn't get it downstairs. So this is the chocolate, it's dulce de leche, which is good. So that's that chocolate. So let me say. This is the best thing I ate so far. It's good. We are in this theater now waiting for the show. And what I like is it's very round, so you can see pretty much from almost anywhere you sit. We are off. You can smell that New Jersey air. Well guys, this is the end. I don't think I'm going to be filming anymore after this. So be sure to check out my other videos, mostly baking. Don't forget, in February will be another cruise video. Unless there's another ship tour, where you will be sailing on the Navigator of the Seas out of Los Angeles to the Mexican Riviera. So just be sure to check out, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video, and thumb it up, and I'll see you all next time.